Ever notice how one bad paycheck can feel like a tiny paper cut until it turns into a full clown car of problems? If you are an immigrant worker, unpaid wages or a shady firing can feel extra scary because your job, your money, and your immigration status can all get tangled together. First, unpaid wages are still unpaid wages, no matter what passport you carry. If your boss skips overtime, shortchanges your hours, or just ghost pays you with excuses, you may be able to file a wage claim with the Labor Department or sue in court to get the money back. That part is the boring hero story. You worked, they owe, and the law can say pay up. In many places, you can also get extra money called penalties or liquidated damages, which is the legal version of nice try, but no. Now here is the twist that makes people sweat. If your boss fires you because you complained, asked for your wages, or tried to report abuse, that can be retaliation. And retaliation is often illegal even when the boss acts like a cartoon villain in a bad tie. A lot of people worry, if I complain, will I get deported? That fear is real, but many wage and labor laws protect workers regardless of immigration status. And some complaint systems do not ask about status at all or do not share it for enforcement. Immigration lawyers can help figure out how your work case and your immigration case fit together without turning it into a soap opera. If your status depends on a job, they can look at options like changing employers, extending a filing deadline, or fixing the record before a mistake snowballs. Sometimes the best move is not only a wage claim but also a letter, a complaint, or a demand notice that puts pressure on the employer. That can make the boss stop acting like the world's worst magician, where the pay disappears and the blame does too. If the firing was tied to protected activity, you may have more than one path. Depending on the facts, you could file with a labor agency, a civil court, or another agency that handles retaliation, and the timing matters because deadlines can be short and sneaky. You also want to keep proof like a squirrel hoarding nuts for winter. Save schedules, pay stubs, texts, emails, work apps, photos, and notes about who said what because a clean paper trail can make your story way easier to prove. People sometimes think, if I am undocumented, I have no rights. That is a myth with a fake mustache because many labor protections still apply, and employers should not get a free pass just because they hired someone they thought could be pushed around. History backs that up in plain language. For years, courts and agencies have said that wage theft laws can protect workers even when immigration status is messy, because letting bosses steal wages would be a golden ticket for abuse. The community side matters too, because workers often hear the same fear over and over. Keep quiet or everything gets worse. But silence can let the problem grow, while getting advice early can help you choose the safest path instead of guessing in the dark. A good immigration lawyer will usually ask what happened, when it happened, what status you have, and whether your case could affect a visa, work permit, or future filing. They may also coordinate with a labor lawyer, because the strongest move is often teamwork, not solo heroics. If your employer threatens your immigration status, that threat may itself be part of the retaliation. Threats do not magically become legal just because they are said with confidence in a fake office plant nearby. The big idea is simple. Unpaid wages can often be recovered, retaliatory firing can often be challenged, and immigration status does not erase every legal protection you have. If you want to learn more about how these cases work and what help may fit your situation, check out our links in the description below. And do you want to learn more about our company?